Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are preparing crispy as well as healthy egg roll. Let's start the recipe. Heat the pan and add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is ready, add half teaspoon of cumin seed. Once the cumin seeds are fried a bit, add 2 chopped onions. Stir it well. Add required salt. When the onion color changes like a glass, add ginger garlic paste. Stir it well. When the raw smell goes out, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Add 1 chopped tomatoes and stir it well. Once it becomes like a paste, like this, add 1 teaspoon of water. Mix it well and add 3 chopped eggs. Mix it completely. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Now stuffing is ready. First step is over and second step is preparing the wrapper using the bread. Cut the edges on all 4 sides and press with roller like this gently. Once it becomes thin, we can start to put stuff inside. Fold it like this. And you can try different shapes as well. But the important thing is we must close all sides with the water like this. Heat the pan with some oil. After heating the oil, add all these wrapper with stuff we prepared. Take it out once the color changes to golden brown on all sides. Now egg roll is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.